Whoops. There you go. Yeah, it's hot. You can hear it sizzle. There's our designated shabu driver. Hi. She's pre-greasing the grill with pork fat. Yummy, delicious pork fat. You can hear the sizzle. That's the same way she rubs my belly. Pork fat and people fat. There's all the meat and the hot dogs and the tofu and the sauce. Although we brought our own from home because we are prepared at all times. And vegetables and an egg. Alright. Alright, she's going in with the veg. There it is. Boiling the veg in the water. This looks like Chinese cabbage. And that's going in the water. It's going to boil. And then the meat goes in the middle on the little vented dome thing that she was pre-seasoning with pork fat. This is a seasoned shabu veteran. Seasoned. Yes. There goes the first piece of meat. God. When this thing heats up, it's a matter of seconds before the meat's cooked, like 10 seconds on each side. But I think it's still warming up. But somebody is hungry. Chai. She's like, do you think the lady's here with the pork set yet? Do you think the lady's here with the pork set yet? She was very anxious to get the pork set. Yes, there you go. That's what you want to hear. Get that sizzle. Chai. Nice job. She covered the grill pretty good. Tofu. There you go. And those little pork balls I get in my soup. My delicious pork noodle soup. And more tofu. Nice. Alrighty. The inn is full. Like any good grill master, she's checking her meat, checking the doneness, doing a visual test. The only difference is she's using chopsticks. Okay. Almost there. All right, now another check. Yes. Finally, we hit the doneness, and we're getting the flip. Yes, the seasoned shabu master. Yeah, the meat will stick a lot to that dome, even when you have the pork fat. Yes, very satisfying sizzle on there. That's good. Nicely browned. Good job.
Oh, not so nice.
Yeah, fish always sticks to the grill. Whatever your grill. There she is. Shabu master. Yes, now she's making the soup. A little bit of Chinese cabbage, a little bit of tofu, some mushrooms. Tofu. There you go. Yeah, don't forget the pork balls, baby. You know I love the pork balls. Yes. Yum. Aloy. Aloy mak. And that's my delicious soup. Yum. And the meat is going on the soup. That's something new. I've never done. I've always eaten the meat separately in sauce instead of going inside the soup. So, learn something new tonight. Chai. You not eat as much? Maybe that's why you're 90 pounds and I'm 250? Because you not eat as much? Chai. She was happy when I said that. She smiled when I said that. Chai. She likes being 90 pounds. Chai. Shabu, shabu. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. All right, the proof is in the eating. So after she worked so hard, and she's still working, putting all that delicious stuff in there, I have this bowl of soup in front of me. We got a little bit of the hot sauce in there with garlic mixed into the hot sauce. And a frankfurter this time, which they call a sausage, but it's a frankfurter's. A little mini weenie. But yeah, like I said, I've never had it this way, like in a soup. I always had the pork separate, but very delicious. Very good flavor. The pork doesn't get soggy in the soup at all. You got all these veggies, and this time you have soft tofu instead of the firm tofu. With my barbecue buddies back in Jacksonville, they'd see me eating tofu and drinking carrot juice. They'd just be shaking their heads, but I'll tell you what, it's good. It tastes really good. Oh, very happy with the shabu that the shabu master has cooked. Try your own shabu. Let's get the reaction of the shabu master to her own cooking. Aloy. Actually, I think you're going to give yourself an aloy mak, right? Aloy mak with your own cooking? Yes, aloy mak. She had to say aloy mak. Very good.